Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can place an order with us. Firstly, you can see that we have so many categories to choose from. We have chain cases, we have aesthetic cases, we have Polaroid frame cases, we have music player, we have other accessories. So you can see here we have phone covers, we have so many options in that. We have anime, floral, aesthetic, we have pop grippers, sliders. We do have other accessories like laptop sleeves and desk mats. We personalize covers with your name, you get a Polaroid frame, music player. So you have a lot to choose from. So let's start. We do have some offers going on. You can see the offers right here. So first we have to select what design we want. So you select your design. Then you scroll down and you see an option of selecting brand. So you have to select the brand of your phone. Once you select that, then you get an option to select your phone model. Please select your phone model. You can also check that in your about section in your phone, and then you add it to your cart. And then we add to cart. Here, then we proceed to checkout. Here you can see show order summary. We click on that. Then you get an option to enter your promo code. Please enter your promo code and apply. As soon as you apply it, the amount will automatically be deducted. If you don't want this promo code and apply some other one, you can remove it from below. Then you fill in your information. Please make sure to fill in your correct information. Below, you again get an option to enter promo code if you forget it above. Then you select your payment option. We also have partial COD, which is partial cash on delivery, which means we take some amount of the total amount as prepaid and then rest we take as cash on delivery to avoid fake orders. Thank you.